welcome. My name is Hope Stoll. I am from juniperhollow.net, and I am here just to give you a simple walkthrough on how you can log into your doTERRA account. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to dōTERRA.com in your Google search bar. It's going to bring you to this page, and you're going to want to enter your ID number that you received from doTERRA plus your password below. And of course, once you're done with that, you're going to hit the login, the green login. If for some reason, if it doesn't pop up right here in the middle screen, the login is located right to the upper right corner of the page, right there. Alright, so I'm going to go to my account. I'm already logged in. The first thing you're going to notice is there is a flashing gray banner at the top center. And it says holiday products, save 10% in November. So every month doTERRA has specials that they run. So every month there's going to be a product that's going to be 10% off. Every month at the beginning of the month they will tell you which is their free product that you can get. And sometimes they'll have additional promotions that they run that you may want to learn about or read about. If you want to know anything about each individual promotion that flashes up here, you simply click on the Learn More, and it will pop up a little page where you can read about that product or whatever it is and learn more. You can also skip to make it go faster by touching the arrows. So that's your how to log into your doTERRA back office or shopping account. You can scroll downward to search products or search using the search bar up top and type in the product of your choice. So just know that's how you log into your doTERRA back office. On the next video, I'm going to walk you through how you can actually save when you do purchase with doTERRA, because the trick is to purchasing in a way that you actually save money and you get more free products. If you want to know how to save money and get free products, watch the next video to find out how you do that as a doTERRA wholesale customer.